Let's get this show started. It's time to roll out some recipes. We have a fantastic menu and it's all about salmon. I love salmon. I think it's my favorite fish. I really do. I mean, I love kingfish, but there's something about salmon. There's a heartiness. It takes flavor so well. I love salmon. So I want to do a little bite. I'm doing the starters to get things going here before we head out onto the grill. And you know I like to drop some little ideas on you. And I saw something where we could have created a salmon meatball. Yeah, and that's what we're gonna do. So for those folks who don't eat meat, you can do a meatball and use salmon. It's just amazing, so simple, so true. We just chunked up some pieces of salmon and I am going to take, this is about 2 4-ounce fillets that I just chunked up. And I just want to get the chunks in our food processor. And we're actually making a meatball here, guys. We're just replacing the meat with some lovely pieces of salmon. I am actually just going to start seasoning. So I just want some salt, a little pepper. I have some onions that I just want to get in there. Everything goes in the food processor. Let the food processor do the work this time around. I have some garlic. So I have my handy garlic press. And I'm going to just get some garlic mashed in there. And some good old Trini green seasoning. This has some lovely flavor, fresh green seasoning flavor, garlic, onions, everything in there as well. Nice pop of flavor. And some paprika. And it's over to the food processor. So the food processor has done all the work. I just want to get the blade out and rest him across there. And get this in a bowl. I have a bowl. Pour this salmon mixture out in a bowl. Get it in there. I just want to add some freshness to it. So I have 1 lime, so the juice of 1 lime, guys. Just some freshness that it can add. Cook up the flavor a bit. 1 egg. You're making a meatball, so this is basically how you would do your meatball and the ingredients you would put in a meatball to bind the meatball together. It's just you're having lovely salmon instead of meat and some breadcrumbs. And I left that for last because I kind of want to maneuver the egg and the breadcrumbs to my liking and not to overmix the mixture too much. So get it combined. And I can now ball the meatballs out. So I have this cool little ladle-like thing that I want to use. And really using it simply because when I do that, just averaging, I can get all the balls kind of one size. So it's a simple roll. When you get the mixture right, you don't even have to do much. It rolls in your hand very, very easily. Simple. Kind of just average, it kind of helps you kind of average the size of your ball. It's important because when it goes into the oven, you don't want a big ball, a small ball, a medium ball. They will cook at different rates if it's that. So you want the balls to be all the same size, at least close in size, so that, you know, it will cook evenly. Isn't this great? This is salmon meatballs. I mean, if you're a lover of salmon like me, yeah, you won't miss the meat here. And very simply, you just get this in the oven. 15 minutes, guys. I think that's all. Bake for 15 minutes in an oven of just about 400 degrees. And you have salmon meatballs. Salmon. I did a nice shadow benny, creamy shadow benny dip. That goes perfectly with it. Try the recipe. It's all about salmon today on the menu here at Home Sweet Home.